What's up, Chabibis? Pupunta ba kayo ng Japan? May 3 tips kami for using Japan Transpo like a pro. Number 1. Get an IC card. Kahit sobrang efficient ng transport system sa Japan, hassle pa din bumili ng ticket for every ride. Get an ICOCA, Suica, or Pasmo card to tap in and out of trains and buses. Pwede pa to gamitin sa mga kombini. Number 2. Use Google Maps. Nakaka-overwhelm lang talaga ang train system sa Japan, lalo na kung first-timer ka. Buti may apps like Google Maps or Navitime to give you real-time route, schedules, and pati kung saan best mag-exit na pinakamalapit na pupuntahan. Meron din. Number 3. Mind the etiquette. Keep quiet inside trains, wag humarang sa pinto, and carry big bags in front of you. Respect the unspoken rules para matiwasay ang pagbiyahe nyo. That's our travel tip for today, mga Chabibis! If you want to get discounts on your bookings and activities, use our promo code ChabExplorersCloak. For itinerary ideas, subscribe to our YouTube account, and for travel tips, follow us on TikTok. Tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala!